Did you know there are some places on Earth where gravity seems to act strangely? It might sound odd, but there are a few spots like this. The first place is Naneghat in Maharashtra, India. There is a waterfall there called the reverse waterfall, because it looks like the water flows upward instead of downward. Some people think this happens because of an anti-gravity force, but scientists believe it's actually due to strong winds blowing the water up. Another place is the mystery spot in Santa Cruz, California. Here you might see unusual things like water flowing uphill, a compass that doesn't work correctly, objects changing size, and the strange ability to stand at an angle without falling.